Jamaica, 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 I feel me homeland. Jamaica, Jamaica, you are feeling homeland. Yes, Jamaica. If you are a Jamaican in Jamaica presently and in the diaspora, we are here as daughters of the soil to provide you with an opportunity to make your words and your action shows for Jamaica. So the Daughters of the Soil YouTube channel is here providing you the opportunity to be a part of something big, a big movement that will take over YouTube. One, we can level up. How are we going to level up as Jamaicans? And when I talk about Jamaicans, I'm talking about the black, green, and gold flag that resonates in your bones. We are going to have features such as 2 minutes to say. Whatever you want to do for Jamaica, be it poem, a song, or a prayer, or simply a greetings or a well-wishing note, you've got 2 minutes to say it, and you can be sure to send that information to the Daughters of the Soil to you at gmail.com email address. And be sure to drop all your videos in the Google Drive because that's the only way to retrieve it. And after you've done all that, you can text any poem you want. We can highlight those poems if you send them to 250-464-4118. Send all your poems and any little readings you have for Jamaica right in that WhatsApp talk. And the 2 minutes to say it, it's just as simply writing what you'd like to say and have your family dress up, yes, and level up. So dress up for the Christmas, as we will be bringing to you for Christmas greetings, the greetings across the diaspora. Yes, we are allowing you to show off those greetings to your family members back home. If you have a piece of drama that you'd like to share, just send them on right there. And remember, Daughters of the Soil, we are connecting through prayers and well-wish and the prayer circle and more. We need prayer warriors. Come along with us as we drive through the terrain. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Beep, 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 beep. Bah. Yes. We want you to take any medium of transportation right to that YouTube channel to send our messages in a bottle or in a box, whatever it is. Let's have it and we will showcase it for you right here on Daughters of the Soil YouTube channel. Hey Jamaica, see you all.